One of the things that we tend to do with retargeting ads is make them way more complicated than they actually are. You're gonna find that these retargeting ads are nothing more than common sense, so I'm very excited to share them with you. So be sure to stay to the end because all three will produce some high results for you. You just need to be aware of which three they actually are. Hey Ataime, if we're just meeting, welcome to a channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Alright, so first let's understand what retargeting ads even are. They are super simple, let's not overcomplicate it. Retargeting ads are you showing up with your offer to somebody that has engaged with you in some capacity. They may have liked your Facebook page, or they may have visited your website at some point in time. It doesn't matter how they interacted with you, it just matters that you show up again. And that's all you have to understand about retargeting ads. That is what they are in principle, but let's talk about what some actionable strategies are so you can actually convert those eyeballs, those clicks, those shares, those comments, that engagement into actual leads. And the first type of retargeting ad that is highly effective today is a testimonial ad. A testimonial ad is where you compile a few testimonies of some people vouching for your work. Now keep in mind, these retargeting ads are shown to people that have engaged with you in some capacity before. And this time when you show up again, you're showcasing all of your successes. And the best way to showcase your wins, your successes, the social proof is having people on video vouching for the work that you did for them. And the format that's working incredibly well right now is the carousel ad. The carousel ad allows you to include multiple videos with multiple headlines and multiple descriptions in all of your ads. So you can have multiple people vouching for you in one singular ad. And the beauty about this particular ad is that Facebook will automatically rotate the highest performing video, aka the highest performing card that has the video, that has the headline, and that has the description that's resonating with your audience. And the campaign objective that I encourage you to run is the lead generation campaign. This lead generation campaign is going to do wonders if you do this type of retargeting ad. Now the second type of retargeting ad that is highly effective today is a freebie ad. In the freebie ad, you're giving something of value away for absolutely free. Now the very important thing to understand here is that the free item that you're giving away absolutely needs to have at least perceived value. It doesn't have to cost you anything. It just has to have that perceived value that's going to motivate your audience to give you their contact information. And to give you some examples of some effective freebies right now is a list of open homes this coming weekend. People are opting in left and right to obtain that list. And another freebie that's highly valuable today is a list of off-market properties that you can offer in your ad. And lastly, another freebie that's working incredibly well is a list of coming soons, a list of homes that are about to hit the market, because as you understand, as of this recording, we're in a seller's market. So people are looking for any edge that they can get. And the campaign objectives that I would recommend for this type of retargeting ad is a traffic campaign or a conversion campaign. This allows you some flexibility in how you want to deliver your lead magnets, how you want to deliver your freebies. It just gives you some flexibility on how to do it. And if you want to learn how to actually run a conversion campaign, which is the most complex type of campaign that you can launch on Facebook, then I'll leave a video right here that's going to help you every step of the way. Now, something else that's going to really help you is going down to the bottom of this video and smashing like. All right, okay, you got me. It's not going to help you, it's going to help me. But in helping me, I'm going to help you. So indirectly, we both win. And the third retargeting ad that is absolutely crushing it in every single market right now is the give a win retargeting ad. And now you may be thinking, well, what on earth is give a win? What does that even mean? Very fair question. Giving people a win means giving people an answer right away, giving people a result right away that they can deploy in their business, in their life, in their whatever, where they actually see results instantly. And how we're giving people a win right now in all of the different markets is sharing with them how to actually contest their property taxes, how to apply for their homestead exemption, sharing with them how to actually sell their home by owner. We're sharing with people and educating them on some high quality stuff. We want the audience to think, why on earth are they giving away something so valuable for absolutely free? That's the mentality that you need to approach this give a win retargeting ad. You want to give people that impression. Take this channel as an example. Oftentimes you're gonna see me give you the ad copies that I'm using not only for my agency, but also for the agents that I work with at EXP, and I'm not charging you anything. You're gonna find that the audience that you share this high quality information with is gonna see you as the authority, and in doing so, anytime they even try to attempt to sell their home by themselves and they get stuck, they're gonna come to you to help them. But here's the thing, you're gonna find that less than 5% of your audience will even dare attempt to sell their home on their own. They're just gonna hire you. So don't be afraid to run this retargeting ad and give somebody a win. Don't be afraid to give your best stuff out there. And the best type of campaign to launch with this retargeting ad is the engagement campaign. The engagement campaign takes a post that is on your Facebook page and draws a ton of traffic to it. So more and more people are gonna see the comment section. More and more people are gonna see the likes and the hearts on your particular advertisement, so it provides such social proof. Well, now that you have 3 retargeting ads that are working today to generate real estate leads, it's time to launch a campaign. So I'll leave a video right here that's gonna help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make your best day yet.